Imagine this. You live in Utah, a state with 5 of the most famous national parks in the country. You're attending Southern Utah University. However, you're not studying just any ordinary subject. You're training to be a pilot in SUU's Aviation program, the highest elevation collegiate program in the country. This will give you the opportunity to train in high altitudes with varying weather and wind conditions. Training at SUU will prepare you for virtually any type of flight environment you may experience around the globe. You'll have the opportunity to train with certified flight instructors who know every detail about being a pilot. SUU Aviation operates out of Cedar City Regional Airport, 120 miles from the Grand Canyon, 222 miles from Salt Lake City, and 100 miles from Page, Arizona. You'll gain real-world experience in Bravo, Charlie, Delta, Echo, and Gulf airspaces. You'll communicate with air traffic controllers and flight service station operators, as well as other pilots in the industry. We offer world-class turbine transition, external load, mountain operation, and night vision goggle training in our Rotor program. Our fixed-wing program offers students the opportunity to train in aircraft from high performance and complex to multi-engine aircraft. Students in the fixed-wing program also have the opportunity to fly all over the country and even obtain a tailwheel endorsement. If you're looking for adventure and the most advanced flight training in the world, SUU Aviation is the place for you.